Garages often start with good intentions: organized storage, protected parking, or a small workspace. Over time, however, they can become crowded with unused furniture, old boxes, broken appliances, and miscellaneous clutter. Before you know it, valuable square footage is no longer usable. For homeowners in Austin, professional garage cleanouts provide a practical way to reclaim that space and transform it into something far more functional, like a home gym or a dedicated workshop. Unlocking hidden potential. Many garages in Austin are large enough to support more than just storage. The problem isn't space, it's what's taking up the space. A professional garage cleanout removes bulky, unnecessary items that have accumulated over time. Once cleared, the true size and layout of the garage become visible, revealing its potential for a completely new purpose. Creating space for a home gym. More homeowners are choosing to exercise at home for convenience and privacy. A garage can be an ideal location for workout equipment, but only if it's free from clutter. Garage cleanouts in Austin make it possible to install equipment such as treadmills, weight racks, yoga mats, or stationary bikes without feeling cramped. With open floor space, you can design a workout area that supports your fitness goals. Building a functional workshop. For those who enjoy woodworking, crafting, or hands-on projects, a garage workshop offers the perfect environment. Clearing out unnecessary items allows Austin homeowners to install workbenches, tool storage systems, and lighting designed specifically for productivity. An organized workshop not only looks better but also improves safety and efficiency. Improving safety and organization. Cluttered garages can create hazards. Piles of boxes, unstable stacks of items, or blocked pathways increase the risk of accidents. A thorough garage cleanout in Austin eliminates these safety concerns. Open, organized space reduces the chance of trips or falls and creates a cleaner, more manageable environment for exercise or hands-on work. Supporting better storage solutions. After clearing out unwanted items, homeowners can implement smarter storage systems. Austin residents often choose wall-mounted shelving, overhead storage racks, or tool organizers to maintain order. These upgrades ensure the newly created gym or workshop remains functional long-term. Increasing home value and appeal. A well-organized garage that serves as a gym or workshop can enhance the overall appeal of your property. In Austin neighborhoods, flexible spaces are highly valued. Converting a cluttered garage into a purposeful area demonstrates thoughtful use of square footage. Enhancing daily convenience. Driving across town to visit a gym or renting workshop space adds time and expense to your routine. By transforming your garage in Austin, you gain immediate access to a personalized fitness or hobby area. The convenience of having everything at home supports consistency and enjoyment. Reducing stress and overwhelm. Clutter can create mental strain as well as physical limitations. Garage cleanouts provide Austin homeowners with a fresh start. Clearing out unwanted items often brings a renewed sense of motivation to redesign the space with intention. Practical first step toward transformation. Before investing in gym equipment or workshop tools, it's important to prepare the space properly. Professional garage cleanouts in Austin ensure heavy or bulky items are removed safely and efficiently. This clears the way for thoughtful planning and setup. Turning unused space into purposeful living. Your garage should serve your lifestyle, not store forgotten belongings. For homeowners in Austin, garage cleanouts are the key to unlocking new possibilities. Whether creating a home gym to support wellness or a workshop to fuel creativity, clearing out clutter transforms wasted space into something meaningful. With the right cleanout process, your garage can become one of the most functional and rewarding areas of your home.